If you are wondering if Xiaomi Watch 5 can work without a phone, then the answer is yes. But the first setup, the initial configuration, has to be done with a smartphone. So you have to pair Xiaomi Watch 5 with a smartphone, and to be precise, it has to be an Android phone, because unfortunately with iPhone it doesn't work. And you have to scan this QR code with the Mi Fitness app or Mi Fitness app in order to continue. But once the smartwatch is paired, once you have the watch face, you can actually use the smartwatch without the phone. You can, for example, turn off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and you can use it as it is. Of course, some of the features are going to be unavailable because of that, so you need to keep that in mind, that maybe some of the things are not going to work properly or at all, but the watch itself should work, and many of the features still should work just fine. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.